When car camping, every inch of space counts. Packing smart means bringing gear that's multi-purpose and compact yet adds comfort. In this video, we'll show you some amazing car camping essentials that solve common road trip problems while enhancing the adventure. So, buckle up as we unveil 5 car camping gear and gadgets you must have. First up is the Thule Tepui Foothill Rooftop Tent, an awesome way to camp off the ground and still have a comfy place to sleep. This tent is more than just a shelter, it's a cozy retreat on the go. Its aerodynamic profile reduces drag and provides a smaller footprint for off-season storage. Setting up camp is a solo affair with telescopic internal frame pulls, and its symmetrical design allows for mounting on either side of your car. Inside, revel in the spaciousness of a traditional 2-person rooftop tent, complete with an oversized panoramic rear window and dual skylights for stargazing. The plush, low-profile foam mattress ensures a good night's sleep, while external attachment points let you personalize your camp. Weather-resistant and durable, this tent stands up to harsh conditions, making it the perfect rooftop haven for any car camping enthusiast. Up next is the Jackery Solar Generator 1000, your ultimate green energy companion for car camping. It has solar energy with its smart MPPT controller, ensuring optimal charging efficiency. You can charge it up in just 8 hours with 2 Jackery SolarSaga 100-watt solar panels, or 5.5 hours via an AC wall outlet. Its ergonomic design ensures easy handling, and the one-touch setup gets you charging in under 60 seconds. Safety is a top priority with industry-leading cylindrical batteries that meet UL standards. Power up to 90% of your car camping gadgets with its 1000-watt AC output in various outlets. The best part? Enjoy peace and power with minimal noise, and use it as a power bank for other devices in a pinch. It's a reliable power source for car camping adventures. Feeling the chill during your outdoor pursuits? Enter the Ignik Backside, a portable heated seat warmer. Its compact size is perfect for packing in tight car camping loads. Simply plug it into a 12-volt power source, and experience the luxury of a heated foam seat. The handheld control with a display lets you customize the heat level, and smart heat level memory ensures your preferred warmth. With a dense foam cushion and a durable, soft outer shell made from 100% recycled polyester, this will provide a cozy seating solution on rough, wet, or uneven surfaces. You can choose from 2 sizes for portable warmth tailored to your needs. No car camping experience is complete without the warmth of a fire, and the Biolite FirePit Plus takes it to the next level. This smokeless wood-burning fire pit ensures an efficient burn with minimal smoke. Its USB rechargeable power pack keeps the integrated air fan running for up to 30 hours on a single charge. Plus, it provides a 360-degree floating fire experience. Whether you're burning wood or charcoal or using it as a grill with the included top, it will deliver an unparalleled outdoor ambience. On top of that, you can control the size of the flames manually or through the Bluetooth app and enjoy portability with its folding legs. So, it's an ideal companion for those who seek warmth and versatility in their car camping adventures. Next up we have the Therm-A-Rest Steller, an innovative blanket that's perfect for camping trips or just lounging in the backyard. This blanket delivers technical performance with classic comfort. It's built with lightweight, compressible insulation to provide warmth without excessive weight. Its soft polyester lining feels great against the skin, while the bottom edge drawcord seals out drafts. This blanket packs down small, so you can take it anywhere. Whether you're sleeping under the stars or picnicking at the beach, the Steller blanket provides versatile warmth and comfort. And it sets up in seconds, no fussy spreading out required. A must-have multi-purpose blanket for your next car camping adventure. And this concludes our list of the 5 amazing car camping gadgets and accessories. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.